Hello everyone, I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. What should I do today? Cake collection. Let's choose a cake. How about this now? Wow, so amazing. Today, I will make this sofa cake. First, we will put the flour in. Next is the milk. Add a little cooking oil. A little sugar. And can't forget the cocoa powder. Finally, add an egg. We will then add it to the mixer after that. Great! The mixing of the cake batter is finished. Next, pour the cake batter into the baking pan. Perfect! Bake the cake for 30 minutes. I'll get started on the decorations while the cake bakes. Fondant sugar is the main ingredient for shaping. I will make 2 pillows and some decorative booklets. Wow, those fondant books are really beautiful. Okay, done. The dough has already been baked. Prepare to assemble to shape the sofa. Cut the cake in half. A layer of cake, then a layer of cream. Continue like this until the end. Spread it evenly on the cake. The cake will then be decorated to resemble a sofa. Prepared decorations. Wow, the sofa cake is complete. It looks very delicious. I want to eat the cake right now. It is incredibly smooth and sweet and tastes wonderful. and clean the house.
La 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 la.
Feeling tired? I'll have a glass of water to rest. I want to eat OREO dip in milk.
Mini Oreo.
I will get some milk from the fridge.
Oh,
Oh, the cat is being naughty.
oh no! I'll make a new one.
Firstly, put sugar into the bowl. Add egg yolks next. And add butter. Mix and stir thoroughly. Pick up some flour. Add chocolate powder. Mix, mix, mix. Done! Next, we will put the cake batter into the mold. Wow, it has taken the shape of a cake. Bake the cake for 30 minutes. Next, let's make the cake's cream filling. First, put whipping cream into a bowl. Add a little jam. I like milk, so I put a lot in. Mix and stir thoroughly. The cream filling is ready. Next, we will chill the cream filling for 30 minutes. Great! We will complete the OREO chocolate cake. Transformation. It looks very delicious. I want to eat it every day. Pick up some flour. Add a little cooking oil. A little sugar. Add the eggs. Next is the milk. Mix thoroughly to make the cake batter. Next, pour the cake batter into the baking pan. Perfect! Bake the cake for 30 minutes.
Aha! Thank you!
Wow, I love chocolate. Cut the chocolate into pieces. Great! The cake has been baked. Cut the cake into 3 pieces. On the table, smear buttercream. Spread it evenly on the cake. Decorate the cake with chocolate bars. Cover the cake with M&M candy. Well, the cake is complete.